How to download TikTok Lite without Play Store works on any Android 26. So if TikTok Lite isn't available in your Play Store, you can still install it in Android using TikTok's official APK. TikTok currently provides an Android APK for both TikTok and TikTok Lite. So use the TikTok official download page instead of downloading the TikTok Lite from a random APK website. Use the TikTok's own Android download page. The TikTok specifically says it has made an APK for TikTok Lite available for Android device. So just download the TikTok Lite APK, open the official TikTok Android page on your phone, and select the TikTok Lite account. There's others here and there. And allow APK installation. Just go to your settings, apps, special app access, install unknown apps. You can do that, guys. And then just install the app. It says that. So as you can see, I'm in my inbox because, yeah. So yeah. Anyways, guys, that's how easy it is. Then turn the permissions back off. After installing, you can return to the install unknown app settings and disable permission for your browser. If the APK won't install, make sure your Android version is supported. Delete an incomplete APK download and download again from TikTok. Make sure you have enough storage and don't install an APK from an official source just because the official one fails. If TikTok Lite isn't available in your region, some features or availability may differ. So the important part is don't search for modded TikTok Lite APK just because Play Store isn't showing the app. TikTok itself provides an APK TikTok Lite, so the safest approach is to use the official IPK rather than the third-party modified package. So there you guys. I hope you guys like the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any more questions or concerns, you can always type it down question below, guys. Have it answered as soon as possible. See you guys on the next one, and thank you guys.